I'm Jeremy with MS Videos, and this is the last part of the how to assemble a lower receiver. This is going to be your buffer tube, end plate, castle nut, buffer spring retainer, and spring. First thing you want to do is take your buffer tube and put your castle nut on and thread it all the way down. Now that we've got that pushed down, just a clarification, make sure that you have it facing the right way and not backwards, because that will make for a bad day. So you get that threaded down there, take your end plate, and you'll notice that there is a dimpled side and a flat side. Sometimes the flat side has a QD, which this does, and this sits into the machined hole here on the back. Machined lip right there fits into that hole when it's together and keeps it from rotating. Once you get to that point, simply thread this in and pay attention to where the ears on the bottom line up with the machined hole for your retainer. Right now it's still open, so we need to go in more. And now it's halfway covered. So I'm going to back it out. I'm going to put my spring in and my retainer. And now I'm just going to hold it down until that comes around. And now the ear actually holds it down, and you just got to grab a punch. And all you're going to do is you're just going to hold this down with a little bit of down force. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it one more time around. Right here is the retainer, and the spring is underneath it. My buffer tube is sitting just to the side. Now I've got to push that down and rotate that in place so that this keyhole lines up with that. There we go, locked into place. It is trapped inside of those two ears on the buffer tube. Now it is trapped inside there, and it's ready to tighten down the castle nut and insert our buffer and buffer spring. Now take your armorer's wrench. So line them up like so, and just hold everything tight so it doesn't slip and scratch everything, and just get it snug. And once you get it snug, and just give it a little tiny turn, and that should be all you need. You do not have to over torque it, and that is everything except for your stock, but that literally just slides on and locks into place. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull down on the handle here, and then you're going to see that there's a pin right here. So you're going to pull down, and then you're going to pull that pin down with your thumbs and insert it with that pulled down onto the stock, and then let go. It will lock into place. And now you have a fully assembled lower receiver ready for any upper, and take it out and have some fun or go to work, whatever you got to do. And that's it. MS Videos. I'm Jeremy. Tim's behind me. We got Justin visiting, and till next time, we out.